once. Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we studied about permutation, isn't it? What is meant by permutation? Permutation. What is meant by permutation?
Arrangement.
Arrangement, isn't it? Permutation means it is arrangement. Okay, arrangement of some or all objects. Either we can arrange all the objects or we can arrange some of the objects. And we denote this as NPR. And the NPR is defined as n factorial by n factorial by n minus r factorial. NPR is defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. Today we are going to start with combinations. Write the heading. Combinations. Combinations. Permutations means arrangement. So combination means it is in the beginning I mentioned this word. Are you able to recall it, children? Combination means it is selection. Okay, write down. Combination means it is selection. Combination is selection. Suppose 5 students are there. We want to select 2 of them. Means we are selecting 2 students out of 5. And this one we call it as combination. Selections. Okay. So write down what is combination. Okay, so write the definition for combination. So it is the group or selections. It is the group or selections which can be made by taking some, S-O-M-E, some, or all of the objects is called a combination. Either we can take all or we will be selecting few. It is a selection which can be made by taking some or all of the objects. Is called combination. Now, what is the notation we have used for permutation? Gauri, notation used for permutation. Permutation, we denote it as? Yes, Aparna, say it loud, unmute it.
Ma'am, NPR.
NPR. We denote this as NPR. Out of n objects, we are going to arrange R objects, means we denote it as NPR. And NPR is defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. Now today we are going to start with combination. 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 So, write down, children. Out of n objects, suppose I am going to select R. We denote this as NCR. NCR. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? NCR. Sometimes it is denoted as, in some reference books, it is denoted as NC of n, R. Combination of n, R. NCR, or in some of books, it is given as C of n, R. Okay, now let us learn. Let's define what is NCR. Okay, listen, children. Before writing NCR, now let's recall what is NPR. What is NPR? What is NPR? NPR is
factorial by n minus r factorial.
N r factorial. So what is NCR? Listen, children. NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, now can you relate NCR and NPR? NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. If we take these two, what is it? N factorial by n minus r.
NCR.
NPR. So NCR is equal to
NPR by R.
factorial. Very good. So NCR is NPR by R factorial. Note down this. Write it in your box. NCR is n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. That is NCR is equal to NPR by R factorial. NPR by R factorial. Okay. Children, English students are there means now you can leave this period. I am taking maths. English students, I think some of you are joined here. English. Okay. Write the next one. Okay, now we using the definitions, we are going to find out few results. Write down as note. Note under that first one. Note under that first one. NC0. What is NC0? What is NCR? What's the definition of NCR? NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Therefore, what is NC0? It's NC0.
N factorial.
Yes, by
0 into
factorial into, yes,
n
minus 0
factorial.
factorial. N factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, isn't it? So you will get this is same as n factorial by n factorial. Therefore, what is NC0? It's n factorial by n factorial. So NC0 is 1. NC0 is 1. So example, what is phi Z0?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Ma'am, how did the denominator become n factorial?
What's the definition? N minus 0. N factorial by NC0. R is 0. So 0 factorial by n minus 0 factorial. What is n minus 0? 0 factorial is 1.
N factorial. Yeah.
0 factorial is 1. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Others, is it clear, children?
Yes,
Others, is it okay? Now tell me what is phi Z0? Phi C0. Sania?
5 factorial by 0 factorial.
That is same as, now what you have learned here, NC0 is 1. Isn't it? So phi C0 is 1. What will be 10C0? 1. From 10 elements, we are not going to take any. Okay, we are not going to select any. So answer is 1. 10C0 is 1. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't get.
Okay, what is combination? What's the formula we have learned for NCR? Is it Shubham?
Ma'am, I just joined now.
What is, okay. The beginning I gave the definition for NCR. What is the formula for NCR? Note it. NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So from here, what is, when you put r is 0, what is NC0? It is n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. It is n factorial by n factorial, which is equal to 1. So NC0 is 1. Okay, so this is the first one. Write the next one. What is NC1? Calculate second one. What is NC1? What is NC1?
1.
How? How you will get 1? Shubham? How you will get 1? Apply in this formula and tell me. What is NC1? N factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. And how will you get 1? Annette, can you give the answer, Annette? What is NC1? Annette Anthony.
N factorial by 1 factorial into 0 factor.
How 0? In the place of see children, can you see the board? What I'm writing on the board, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r. So in the place of r, you put 1. So when you put 1, what you will get, Annette? N factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial, isn't it? Annette, is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no 0 factorial you are getting. What is the value of 1 factorial? What 1 factorial is? 1 factorial is, Annette, what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial is, Nandana, 1. So it is n factorial by n minus 1 factorial. Now what we can do, as we have learned earlier, which is bigger? Is it n or n minus 1?
N.
Factorial.
N. N is bigger, isn't it? So n we can express this as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. So these two will get cancelled, which is equal to n. Therefore, NC1 is equal to n. Or NC1 is equal to n. Second one, NC1 is equal to n. NC1 is equal to n. Okay, Gauri. So NC1 is n. Is it clear? Is it okay, children? Therefore, what is 5C1? Write the example. What is 5C1?
5.
5. 5C1 is 5. What is 100C1?
100.
100. 100. 100C1 is 100. Karthik, what is 10C1?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Is it clear, children? So NC0 is? NC0, what we got?
1.
1. NC1 is n. Okay, the next one. What is NCN? Third one. What is NCN? NCN. What is NCN? So Nandana, can you apply this one? What is NCN?
N factorial by or n factorial into n minus n factorial.
which is same as n factorial by n factorial into n minus n means it is 0, isn't it? 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So everything will get cancelled. So you'll get NCN is 1. NCN is 1. NCN is 1. So out of n objects, suppose we are selecting all the objects. There is only one way. NCN is 1. Next one, very, very important result. Prove that NCN minus R is equal to NCN minus R is equal to NCR. NCN minus R is equal to NCR. Okay, we have to prove that NCN minus R is NCR. So for proving that, we start from LHS. So in LHS, we have NCN minus R. What is the definition of NCR? It is n factorial by, in the place of R, we have n minus R. N minus R factorial into n minus of n minus R factorial. Is it correct? NCR. So this is in place of R. So n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So which is equivalent to n factorial by n minus R factorial into n minus R plus R factorial. So these two will get cancelled. So we'll get n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial, which is same as NCR, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, NCN minus R is equal to NCR. NCN minus R is equal to NCR. Is it okay? Okay, children. Sania, Karthik, and all switch on your video. Aparna. Okay, children. So what is NCR? What is NCR? Atul.
n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial.
N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Yes, yes, Sania. So in the last one, what we have proved? We have proved NC n minus r is equal to NCR. We have to prove NC n minus r is equal to NCR. Okay. So for proving that, what we did, we are starting from LHS. We are starting from LHS. We are starting from NC n minus r. What is NCR? By definition, it is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n minus of n minus r factorial. So that is n factorial by n minus r factorial into, when you open the bracket, it is n minus n plus r. So plus n minus n will get cancelled. So you'll get n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, which is same as NCR. Is it clear, Sania? Is it okay? Sanya, is it okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, NC N minus R is NCR. Now, what is NC1, Gayatri? What is NC1?
N factorial.
NC1 is
N.
N. What is NCN? It is 1. NCR is NC N minus R. Now, let's solve problems based on this. Write the question. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Under that, first one. First one. Find 12C5. Find 12C5. 12C5. So what is the answer? How will you do this one? What's the definition of NCR? NCR is defined as N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. Ashwin, tell me, Ashwin. In the place of N, what you have here? 12. Okay, good. R?
5.
R is 5.
5.
Okay, 5.
12.
Okay. So when you apply the formula, definition, what you will get?
12 by 5 into 12 minus R factorial. 12 minus 5 factorial.
12 minus 5 factorial. 12 factorial by 5 factorial into 12 minus 5 factorial. So which is same as 12 factorial by 5 factorial into 12 minus 5 is 7, isn't it? Now what's the next step?
12 into 11 into.
Express the bigger in terms of smallest. Okay, so this 12 factorial, we can write this as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 7 factorial. So 7 factorial will get cancelled. 7 factorial will get cancelled. So 5 factorial is there. 5 factorial means, Achyut, what is 5 factorial? What is 5 factorial? 120. So instead of writing 120, I'm writing this as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Product of first to 5 natural numbers.
12 into 10.
12 into 10, yes, correct. Yes, you can cancel 12 into 10 with this. Then simplify and find the answer. Yes,
99.
correct. 99. Check it. Is it 99? One small mistake is there. Correct.
792.
792. And 8 is there missing, isn't it? That 8 you should multiply. 99 into 8. Very good. It's correct.
790.
Yes, correct. Yes. It is 792. Aditya, Satyan, are you getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
The 792. Okay, so 12C5. We are applying the definition and we are finding this. Write the next one. Next one. We have to solve, children. 10C8. 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 Children, switch on your video. Aryan, Punya, Adin, Shubham. All of you switch on your video. Emmanuel, can you give the answer, Emmanuel?
Question once more. I didn't.
Evaluate 10C8. Evaluate 10C8. Evaluate 10C8. What is 10C8? Yes, Emmanuel. What is 10C8?
10 factorial by 8 factorial.
Hmm.
10 minus 8 factorial.
Into 10 minus
Bracket,
8
bracket.
factorial. Is it okay? Then
10 factorial
we
by
can,
8 fact.
okay.
8 factorial into 2 factorial.
Okay. Then next step.
10 factorial into 9 into 8.
10 into 9 into 8. Okay, there you will not get factorial symbol. Okay, 10 into 9 into 8 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So 8 factorial will get cancelled. 2 factorial is 2. So what is the final answer? Aditya Yasraj. Final.
45.
It is 45.
45.
Yes. What about the others? Ijaz and all, are you getting the answer? Alvin Benny. Alvin Benny. Naurin, Michael, Punya, you all switch on your video. Ria, Muhammad Adi, Alvin Benny. Is it okay, Alvin? Aryan. Aryan, switch on your video, Aryan.
Ma'am, I'm facing power failure.
Oh, failure. What about Alvin? Alvin? Write the next one. Next one. Evaluate 10C2. 10C2. Evaluate 10C2. So the previous one we did is 10C8, isn't it? Now let us evaluate 10C2. What is 10C2? Naurin, give the answer, Naurin. What is 10C2? Naurin?
45.
45. Can you give the steps? Answer is correct, Naurin. Can you give the steps?
10 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial.
Yes. So it is?
10 factorial by 2 factorial into 8 factorial.
Okay. So you'll get 45. Is it correct? Aparna, are you getting 45?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the previous question is 10C8, isn't it? For 10C8, what is the answer you got? Is it the same answer? Is it 45?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, isn't it? So the previously we learned one theorem. Not theorem. We proved one. NCR is NCN minus R, isn't it? NCR is equal to NCN minus R. NCR is NCN minus R. So NC, okay. So suppose in the place of N, suppose I take 10. So 10C2 will be same as 10C8. When you add these two, will you be getting N? What is R plus N minus R? Is it 10, N? Likewise here, 10C2 will be same as 10C8. Is it clear? Is it okay? What about 50C2? 50C2. It will be same as, Atul?
50C48.
It is same as 50C48. 50C2 will be same as 50C48. 100C99 will be same as Krishna Chandran. 100C99 will be same as
100C1.
100C1. And what is 100C1, Gauri? NC1. What is 100C1? Okay, Gayatri, what is 100C1?
N 100.
100. It's 100. Okay, so this is an important result we use. Okay, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. When the numbers become big, 100C99, 100C99. So whenever the number R becomes big, what you can do, we can change this, use this property, and we can change it as smaller. 99, 100C99. You can write this as 100C1. We do this. Whenever R becomes large, when R becomes bigger, we can use this property. NCN minus R is same as NCR, and we can evaluate. Okay, let us do one problem using this property. Write down. Evaluate 100C 98. 100C 98. If we are using the definition, we will write this as 100 factorial by 98 factorial into 100 minus 98 factorial, isn't it? N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. So this is same as 100 factorial, means you can write this as 100 into 99 into 98 factorial by 98 factorial into 2 factorial. Is it correct? So here 98 factorial will get cancelled. 2 factorial means it is 2. 2 into 100, it is 50. So we'll get 50 into 99. What is the answer?
495.
495. 5.
4950.
0. Achut. Okay, 4950 and 0. It's 4950. Okay. Now, see, we learned how to find 20P2. Are you remembering one easy way? Instead of using the definition, what is the method we learned? How to write 20P2?
20 into 19.
20 into 19. 20 onwards, you will write 2 numbers, isn't it? Same way, here also, suppose instead of P, if it is 20C2, listen children, 20C2, how we can write? 20 onwards, 2 numbers, 20 into 19 by 2 here, so 1 into 2. NPR by R factorial, isn't it? The same thing. So yeah, what is NPR? 20P2 means 20 into 90 by 2, 1 into 2. So what will be 50C2? By applying this method, what is 50C2? Instead of 50, yes,
into 49 by 2.
1 into 2. This one you can simplify and you can find. Yes.
Why are we writing it as 1 into 2?
Here it is 2. So from the first number onwards, you can write 2 into 1 into 2. 2 numbers. From, okay, n factorial by r factorial. Here it is 2. So it is 2 factorial. So it is 2 factorial. 1 into 2.
So if it was 3, it won't be simply 3. It will be 1 into 2 into 3.
1 into 2 into 3.
Okay.
Now let's do one more. Okay, this one, is it clear? Others, is it, children, is it okay? Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Rijas? Rijas? Now let's find out what is 40C3. By applying this method, what is 40C3? What will be 40C3? 40 onwards, 3 numbers, isn't it? 40 into 39 into 38 by, here it is 3. So 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 3. This one you can cut short, simplify, and you can give the answer. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Shivani? Shivani? What is 55C3? Shivani, can you give what is 55C3? Shivani, can you hear me, Shivani? What is 55C3? Aparna? Aparna?
55 into 54 into 53
Hmm.
divided by 1 into 2.
By 1 into 2 into 3. This one you can cut short it and you can find the answer. Okay, so now let's recall what you have learned today. Combination. Yes, you should simplify it further. Okay, don't leave as such. What you have to do, you have to cut short and you have to find the final answer. Don't leave with this. We know, we have learned multiplication, division, cut short it, divide it, and you have to final answer should be a single number. Don't leave like this. So combination means it is selection. Combination is selection. NPR is defined as, okay, NPR, it is defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial, isn't it? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Yeah, NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, children, we can end this meeting now. Go through this, learn the formulas, and thank you.